Team Fullest. This is the girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to do a quick everyday soft glam makeup look. If you guys want to know how I get this makeup look, let's jump into tutorial. I will leave all the product I use in the description box, so please check the description box. If you guys want to see the outfit I'm wearing, also follow me on my Instagram. I will put a picture there of outfits. So yeah, hope you all will enjoy this video. Let's jump into the tutorial. Money man don't call na the bar. Hey, who da dey na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Who da dey na the bar? Money man don't. So I'm going to start with this NYX eyeshadow base. This is the waterproof eyeshadow, and then I'm going to be using my AliExpress brush to just blend that into the eyes very smoothly. If you guys know, whenever I'm doing my everyday or natural makeup, I love using these palettes. The colors are really beautiful. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I love this palette. This palette is like my favorite palette so far when it comes to doing my everyday soft glam. Blend it up towards the brow bone. I like to go in little by little with the eyeshadow just to build it up. Which you guys can see, it's very simple everyday. And I'm going to take that same brown, I'm going to put it on top of the eyelid. Just do a dabbing motion. Make sure the entire eyes is covered with that brown. So now, to give it a little bit of shape, I'm going to take this dark brown. I'm going to focus this on the outer corner of the eyes. I'm going to take a little bit, I'm going to bring it towards the inner corner, and I'm just going to blend the hash line so that everything looks smooth. I'm going to take that first brush that I use, I'm just going to use it to blend the top to get rid of any hash line. I'm going to take that first shade that I use, just dab it. Just going to repeat that same process on this eye. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible primer. I'm going to be using this one to prime. I'm going to take my Real Technique brush. I'm just going to blend this into my skin. I also did use the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray. before ever I start my makeup, because you guys know I have an oily skin, and the girl is getting ready to go out. I have an appointment, so I want the makeup to look flawless. I'm going to take the Rimmel London liquid highlighter. I'm happy it didn't fall onto my clothes. Okay, it seems a lot. Just blend this into my skin. People always ask me, why do you always use liquid illuminator? Because it just gives you this beautiful soft sun-kissed glow when you mix liquid illuminator with your foundation. And I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This is in 380. It's a little bit darker, but you know what? I'm just going to blend this into the skin. It looks a bit darker for my face, but it matches my neck perfectly. And I'm going to be wearing something where my neck is going to show, so at least I want my neck and my face to be the same shade. And don't forget to bring it down. Let's do some contour. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Stick Foundation. This is in 250. I love using this as a contour, to contour. It's really nice. Just gonna blend this smoothly, and it blends so beautiful into the skin. Reasons why I love it. And now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. This is in 338. And now it's time to blend. I'm going to first start with this one. Make sure you blend it very smoothly. So now it's time to set. I'm going to be using this Revolution loose setting powder. So now that it's done, I'm going to take this same palette. I'm going to use this light brown for underneath the eyes. Done. Now it's time to set. I'm going to be using my Revolution powder, matte base powder. And now it's time to, I'm going to use blush. I'm going to be using this W7 blush. Let's just use this shade here, mixed together. Just to add a little bit of color onto the face. So let's do blush. I'm going to take my Morphe bronzer, bronze. You guys know I love this bronzer. Let's add some definition to the face. I love how this bronzer just add that warmness to the face. Just beautiful. And now it's time to highlight. I'm going to be using my W7 highlighter. It has been a while since I played with this highlighter, so let's play with it today. Yep, I break it. I'm gonna take this shade here. I'm gonna use it for the wrong one, just a little bit. So on the tip of the nose, and then I'm going to take this one for the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to take this shade, I'm just going to mix them. Now let's do the lip. Take my MAC lip liner. I'm going to take this Essence lip gloss. I'm gonna add a little bit of glossy. This is from MAC. Now it's time to set. I'm going to use this one. So Team Fullest, this is the finished results. I went ahead and fixed some false lashes. I really like it. It's like a really simple everyday glam makeup. It's very simple. I love how natural the eyeshadow and the makeup, everything just look with my TWA. So your girl is ready to go out. Let me know what you think about this makeup look. I will list all the products that I use in the description box, so please do not forget to check the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.